Alright guys, so I actually forgot to click record. I was mixing the Bondo and I got sidetracked. Anyways, I applied Bondo as best as I could. Just gonna let that sit and dry for a bit. Probably get back to it another day. But as of right now, this video, I'm just gonna apply Bondo and then I'll go from there. After the Bondo is applied, I'm gonna start working on the turbo, so pretty excited for that. So I'm gonna keep sanding right here just so I can remove the rest of this paint and go from there. Just gonna put my gloves so that my hands don't get too dirty. Alright, so I'm going to use my Lucky Dent remover right here. I'm going to pop some of it out. Alright guys, so I popped out as much as I could. I'm going to continue sanding real quick. Alright guys, I think I'm good where I'm at. I'm going to start applying Bondo. Let's see how it goes. So I got my area cleaned up. You see. Now I'm going to start mixing my Bondo back up again. And I'm going to apply it. Alright guys, so I got my Bondo right there. I'm going to mix it up real quick. Alright, there it is. I don't know if you guys can tell how pink it is. What's going on guys? So yesterday I got carried away and I decided to start feathering down and sanding down the Bondo. It's looking really nice. I'm gonna feather it out a little bit more because I can still feel it a little bit. So let's get to it right now, and then I'm gonna start focusing over there on the front fenders. So, yeah.
So this side's good. I just need to apply a little bit of Bondo right here. I can see it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark it right here. Just a little bit is what it needs. Come back to that later in this video, or probably on my own time, just so I can do it faster. Right now I'm gonna start working on this area. So let's do it. Let's see how it goes. I bought a cheese grater. It's a perfect time to use it. Let's hope this works good. Just for like areas where there's too much Bondo. So I got to sand this down. It looks really nice. It's feeling really good. Gonna keep going a little bit. Look at that. It's really nice. Very smooth. I just need to feather it out. That one's feathered out. Just need to put a little bit more Bondo because I can see a little bit on the dent. This side had a small dent, but can't feel it anymore, so this one's good to be feathered out. Right here there was a pretty big dent, so this one's gonna take quite a while to smooth it up, and I know it's gonna take a second layer of Bondo. So
and for those who hate me, the more you hate me, the more